#online tutoring. How to make $100 an hour from home. Here's what most people don't realize. You could be making $100 an hour right now, from your bedroom, with nothing but a laptop and Wi-Fi. And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about online tutoring, one of the fastest growing side hustles in America that literally nobody talks about. The crazy part? Some tutors are pulling in $2,000 to $3,000 a month working just 20 to 30 hours a week. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Part 1. The reality of tutoring rates. Here's what's wild. The tutoring market in America is absolutely exploding. Parents are desperate. They're spending more on tutoring than ever before because they don't trust public schools alone. Colleges are competitive, and standardized tests still matter. That desperation translates to money in your pocket. Let me break down actual rates you'll see right now in 2024. SAT and ACT prep tutors? $70 to $150 an hour. That's standard. High school math and science? $60 to $100. College level subjects? $100 to $250 an hour. Test prep for the MCAT, LSAT, GRE? We're talking $200 to $400. And here's the difference between tutoring and other side hustles. You're not selling a $1 product to 1,000 people. You're selling your expertise directly. One client, 1 hour, $100. The math is clean. But, and this is critical, you don't start at $100 an hour. You start at 50 or 60. Prove yourself, build demand, and raise your rates as testimonials pile up. Part 2. The 3 paths to land clients. Path 1. The platform route. This is the easiest entry point. Platforms like Wyzant, Chegg, Care.com, Tutor.com, and Varsity Tutors already have traffic. Parents are actively searching for tutors on these sites right now. You sign up, get verified, set your rate, and they send students to you. The downside? They take a cut, typically 30 to 40%. So if you charge $100, you pocket 60 or 70. But here's the win. You get steady work with minimal effort to find clients. Your first month using platforms? Realistic to make $2,000 to $3,000 if you're available and good. Path 2. The direct client route. This is where the real money is. Once you've tutored 10 to 15 students through platforms, you switch them to direct tutoring. You cut the platform out. You keep 100%. And you raise your rate because they already know you're worth it. How do you do this? Simple. You deliver incredible results. You're responsive. You're organized. Kids improve their grades or test scores. Parents feel the value. Then you say, "Hey, I'm offering direct tutoring now at a better rate for both of us." They jump on it. Path 3. Your own website. Build a simple Wix or Squarespace site. Post your credentials, your rate, and a booking link. Run targeted Facebook ads to parents in your area or niche. This takes more work up front but generates premium clients who are serious and ready to pay. Part 3. Turning this into real wealth. Let's talk dollars and actual math. Say you start on Wyzant at $50 an hour. You pick up 5 hours a week. That's $250 weekly. After their cut, after 3 months of solid work, you've got direct clients. You raise your rate to $75 an hour. 10 hours a week directly? That's $3,000 monthly. Keep going. Raise to $100 an hour. Land 15 hours a week. That's $1,500 weekly. $6,000 monthly. $72,000 annually from a side hustle. Here's what I want you to do with that money. Max out a Roth IRA. That's $7,000 a year in tax-free growth. Invest it in the S&P 500 index fund through Fidelity or Vanguard. At average returns, that's compounding to over $600,000 in 30 years. Skip the lifestyle creep. Don't use this for eating out or streaming subscriptions. This is wealth building money. Part 4. The honest barriers. You need expertise. You can't tutor calculus if you don't know calculus. You need patience. Some students are frustrating. You need a stable internet connection and a quiet space. And you need to handle scheduling yourself. It's not passive income. You're trading time for money. But it's the best time for money trade available right now. The call to action. Your move. Pick one subject you know cold. Sign up for Wiseant or Chegg this week. Set your rate at $50 an hour. Land just 5 hours of work. That's $250 in your pocket. Then scale. Hit subscribe. I'm uploading a complete tutoring platform comparison next week.